Hi guys! You depend on the strength of your body every day. This strength usually comes from inside out. And as we age, the calcium absorption reduces in our body. But particularly as women age, the calcium levels reduces because of low estrogen levels. That's why we need good calcium levels to protect our teeth and bones. And not only that, calcium also helps with the heart, the muscles, and the nerves to function properly. What might happen if you don't get enough calcium? Don't be scared, but this might lead to osteoporosis, which causes fractures in the bones, and we don't want that. So, since the body cannot produce calcium, you need to take it from other sources, for example, like dairy products, like yogurt, milk, or cheese. Also from green vegetables like kale and broccoli. You can also get it from fish like sardines and salmon, or you can just go outside and get vitamin D from the sunlight, which will help also in the absorption of calcium. And lastly, don't forget, you can also get calcium from nutrition supplements. Aren't you lucky enough that Forever Calcium not only provides calcium, but also clinically proven quantities of magnesium, iron, manganese, copper, and vitamin C and D to ensure the good function of the bones. Forever Calcium uses a superior form of calcium and other minerals to ensure maximum absorption. The usage is really easy. Since the bottle contains 90 tablets, you can take 3 to 4 tablets per day as a dietary supplement. But wait, don't forget to ask your doctor before taking calcium if you have kidney problems. And guys, we don't want to see you having weak bones or fractured bones. So a small tip for you would be increase the calcium in your diet, exercise more frequently, and avoid smoking. I hope you guys liked today's video. I am Nina Adada, the nutritionist. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. We'll see you next week. Bye!